Okay, here's my 2-month cucumber grow update in hydroponics grown under LED lights. The lights were the Spectrum King 400 Plus. So far, this system was the Chem-Gro Cucumber Grow Formula, and then this one was the Botanicare Grow series. So far, they're all growing good. I couldn't tell the difference between the two. Seems like I'm getting more though cucumbers out of the Botanic Grow series, but that's just one plant of each species on each grow system. So plants are growing all the way up to the top and are bending over. I had a couple plants die off. I think just I started this one 10 days late and ended up dying because there was no light getting through the canopy. Same thing with these, they just started growing too slow and then got blocked by the light. Let's see, can't see nothing through there. So far nothing's died on this side. Just seemed like they just started growing slow and got blocked out. I have to about cut the leaves every couple of days, all the dead ones that get blocked out by the light. But it's the 400 Plus Spectrum King. I got 2 fans coming on. I turn these on when the lights come on. I have the light schedule 14 hours and I just changed that to 12 hours. I'm going to see if all the cucumbers start growing, the ones that haven't yet. So far the Sabre F1s on both systems, grow systems, haven't produced anything, and hopefully they will start. And the same thing with the Adam Gherkin pickling cucumber plant, hasn't produced anything yet. I had one northern pickling, hasn't either, so I'm not sure why those are producing. Got plenty of flowers. I had to hand pollinate one of the general leaves. But everything else is doing good.